Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify Marketplace Connect. First, navigate to the App Store within your Shopify admin and install the Marketplace Connect app. Once installed, you'll be guided through a simple setup process to link your existing Marketplace accounts. This integration allows you to centralize your product management and order processing, saving you valuable time. It's designed to simplify selling across multiple platforms, making your e-commerce operations much more efficient. After installing the app, the next step is to connect your desired marketplaces. You can easily link popular platforms such as Amazon, eBay, or Walmart directly from the app's interface. The authorization process is straightforward, usually requiring you to log into your seller account and grant permissions. Remember to review and adjust the specific settings for each marketplace to ensure your products are listed correctly and adhere to their guidelines. This ensures seamless data synchronization. With your marketplaces connected, you can now manage your products and orders efficiently. Shopify Marketplace Connect automatically syncs your product listings and inventory levels, preventing overselling. You can easily map your Shopify products to existing listings on Amazon or eBay, or create new ones. All orders from your connected marketplaces will appear in your Shopify admin, allowing for centralized fulfillment and tracking. This unified approach simplifies your daily operations significantly. To optimize your sales, explore advanced features like setting specific pricing rules and inventory thresholds for each marketplace. This gives you greater control over your margins and stock levels. The app also provides integrated sales reports, offering valuable insights into your performance across all channels. Regularly review these reports to identify trends and make informed business decisions. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. This tool truly empowers your multi-channel selling strategy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.